do like the video, please do give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below. That would mean so much to me, and I would love to hear your comments and feedback. Today I'm doing a haul, a Home Bargains haul. I have only actually recently started using Home Bargains. I never actually really knew what it was until I met my partner, which sounds a bit naive, but anyway, it was, yeah, it's been a massive eye-opener how cheap it is and what good value you can get products for. Like, you can get named brand products for half the price a lot of the time, and I'm really impressed by it. So I thought, well, I've got a bag full, and I spent £12.21. So let me just show you, £12.21. To kick us off, I'm sure we've all been watching Mrs. Hinch, because she has just done amazingly recently and just broken out the internet. And I have got my first little Hinch's, I don't know, products, would you say? So it started off with the Star Drops Pine Disinfectant Spray. This was 79p. I've got disinfectant sprays which are like nearly £3, 79p. So that was my first product. I also got the window and glass cleaner because this is actually what she recommends. She says it's fantastic, so I'm going to give this a go. I have been using the Method at the moment for my window and glass cleaner, and I do absolutely love the scent, but I thought I'm going to give this one a go because this was also 79p, so you can't really go wrong with a cleaning product being 79p. So Mrs. Hinch has been banging on about the Power and Shine multi-purpose wipes. I've been looking for these everywhere, and I don't know whether I've just missed them, but I looked in Tesco, Sainsbury's, Waitrose, and I've not been able to find these. And then I went into Home Bargains and they were there. I think they were £1.99. And I find a lot of the wipes are around about £3 marks. They were £1.99. We have guest staying over the next couple of weeks for Christmas, so I've been frantically trying to get the guest room ready and prepared and nice, and I wanted to make it really inviting because there's nothing worse. And I always find, like, especially with the babies, whenever I go anywhere, I forget something. I forgot my dog a few months ago. So I always generally find I forget something. So I just thought, well, I'm going to have like a little basket of just like essentials for them. So if they do forget a deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, it's just going to be all there and they don't have to worry about it. So I picked up 2 toothbrushes for the little basket, which they were 99p each. Got paracetamol in case we get a few sore heads, because I'm going to do a bit of a dinner party on one of the evenings. And I also got some Garnier Simple Essential Wipes. It removes waterproof makeup for sensitive skin as well, because I also find when I've been away, or I am away, and I bought all my cleansing lotions and potions, and I have a few to drink, and all I want by my side is a cleansing wipe to take off my makeup. It's not something that I use often, but when it's really late at night and to make sure I get my makeup off, it's much better taking it off with a cleansing wipe than just leaving it on all night. Apparently it's meant to like age you like a year or something every time you leave your makeup on, you sleep in. That's the thought. I also have got some deodorant, some Men's Shore. I was going to get women's as well, but I personally like using men's deodorant. I like the smell, I think it works great. This is 48 hours antiperspirant. I got myself a few little goodie bits because it's just nice, isn't it, when you go shopping to make sure you have a few little bits in here. I got the well, it's something I actually use. I use on a daily basis, especially now the winter's coming. I like to try and keep a little bit of glow on my skin because I'm naturally quite pale. And I use this, the Dove Visible Glow Tan Lotion. I use this every other day, and it also moisturises your skin, because I find winter time I get the driest skin, I get the driest lips, and this is just gonna just keep a little bit of a glow. I do get medium to dark, even though I am pale, I'm very pale, I do get the medium to dark just because I prefer the way it looks on my skin, and it gives me that little bit more of a glow than the fair to medium, I find. But if you are not one that likes too much of a glow or likes to be too dark, I would go for the fair to medium. And I also noticed, which I've not actually seen before as well, Garnier Moisture Bomb Tissue Mask. So I love a mask, absolutely love a mask. I use all different types of masks, but it's nice once in a while to be able to get like a fairly kind of reasonable mask. I don't buy sheet masks a lot, but I thought I'd give this a go. It wasn't overly expensive. How much was this? So this is £2. So yeah, I'm going to give that a go probably on Friday, because I'm on my own at the moment. So I'm going to give it a go and have a bit of a self-care day or evening once I put the babies to bed. I've got no partner, I've got to clean up after. So yeah, I'm going to use that. So that was my Home Bargains haul. It wasn't massive, but for £12.21, I think you can't go wrong. If you went to Tesco's or you went to Waitrose or Sainsbury's, you would have at least spent £30 on that. Yeah, I would say so, £30, because most products, most items there are like, especially the cleaning items, they're like £3 each. So get yourself down to Home Bargains. It is amazing. There's so much Christmas paraphernalia down there as well, which I did want to stock up on, but I just thought I'm going to wait till the 1st of December, which is this weekend, and I'm going to get all the bits and I'm going to start decorating. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was short and sweet, and I can't wait to see you back in my next video. Please, I'd love it if you subscribe down below and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good.